Walnuts without shells are 4% water, 15% protein, 65% fat, and 14% carbohydrates, including 7% dietary fiber. Walnuts are rounded, single-seeded stone fruits of the walnut tree commonly used for food after fully ripening between September and November, in which the removal of the husk at this stage reveals a browning, wrinkly walnut shell.
The plumber wrench, or plumber's wrench, pipe wrench, Swedish wrench or Swedish pattern wrench, is a form of plier described as a pipe wrench that uses compound leverage to grip and rotate plumbing pipes. Similar to the action of a vice grip plier, its jaw opening is adjusted to width by rotating a threaded ring. Its advantage is that it grips with significant force without needing to engage a lock nut like an adjustable tongue and groove plier. The plumber wrench was invented in 1888 by the Swedish inventor named Johan Petter Johansson. It shares some principles with both the Stilson pattern pipe wrench and the rigid pipe wrench, as well as various forms of adjustable pliers, such as the vice grip and channel lock, tongue and groove plier. The idea is that plumber wrench is convenient to use for cracking nuts different sizes.
Great idea! One great idea definitely deserves 1 million subscribers. You use subscribe.
And donate coffee. Link below video.
Subscribe. You use subscribe. Great idea. And donate coffee, link below video. Subscribe. You use subscribe.
And donate coffee. Link below video.
Great idea.
Don't forget to subscribe for more great ideas.